today, you guys, using this NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil. I know normally y'all see me go ahead and use my Sigma Persuade, but prior to me getting on hold to that one, this is what I was using. Also, I've done my eyebrows off camera, as you guys can see. If you guys want a tutorial on that, go ahead and let me know down in the bottom bar and I'll get it out for you. I'm gonna be starting off with this Jacklyn Hill palette, you guys. Well, actually all of the colors are going to be coming from the Jacklyn Hill palette, and this color right here is the first one that I'm going to be using. Next color that I'm going to go ahead and use is this color right here. It's called Roxanne. Next color I'm going to be using is called MFED, and I'm going to blend that over Roxanne. This color has a slight shimmer and it's called Beam. I'm going to be using that as my highlight and blending it out. I felt like Beam was too light, so I went in with this color right here, which is Pucky, to go ahead and diffuse it a bit. I felt like I wanted a little bit something more, so I took Royalty and put it into my outer V and blended it into everything else. What I'm doing right now, you guys, all I'm doing now is just going over like my different colors, mostly the lid color, and blending it up into everything else just to make everything seamlessly blend instead of just having like them harsh lines that y'all see. So that's what I'm doing. It's not any new colors, and I'm not putting any more product on the brush either. I'm just going ahead and using the brush to just blend all the colors together. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take my Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner and just give myself a winged line. I'm sorry y'all, I didn't show y'all a couple things. I forgot to show y'all my mascara, me putting on my mascara, but the mascara that I use will be down in the bottom bar for you guys to go ahead and check that out, the name of it as well as a link to where you can get it. The color that I'm using right now is out of the same Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna put that in my lash line as well as my waterline. The color that I'm using is called In Light. It's like a little bit lighter than Beam. Beam has a more creamy color, and this one has like more of a shimmer to it. So I'm just putting that into my waterline, and then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to go right on the top of that and go back into Roxanne and put Roxanne right over that color. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is use this Urban Decay All Nighter primer potion. It's for my oily skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that with my fingers, you guys, and rub it in generously. And then after I finish rubbing that in, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my fan and fan it to dry a little bit quicker than what it would if I just sat there and let it dry on its own. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and take this Lancôme foundation. This is a full cover foundation. My color that I am in will be down in the bottom bar for you guys to go ahead and check that out. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my face. I think I used about 5 or 6 pumps of this foundation, you guys, total, to give me my full coverage that I needed. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these two Hide concealers. I have a full tutorial on a bunch of Hide products, including these two, you guys. I'm going to post a little tab at the top to where you guys can go ahead and check out if you want to check out their video. The two colors that I got are Champagne, which is the one that you see me putting right now, and then the other one is Honey. I like using these two together because they give me an extremely natural highlight without looking like, you know, I don't know how to say it, but it gives me a very natural highlight for me. I'm going to go ahead and use my fan to fan my concealer to make it dry quicker. I could sit here and let it dry, you guys, but I was on a time crunch today, so I didn't feel like sitting there waiting for it to dry down and things like that. So I'm just going to use my fan to fan it and then blend it out with a brush. What I'm going to do now is just go ahead and take my beauty blender, you guys, and just blend everything out and together. This helps me to make my makeup blend seamlessly, gives me a skin-like smooth finish and no gaps or patches or anything. So that's what I'm using the beauty blender for. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Fenty loose face powder, you guys. I think it's called Honey. And I'm going to use this to just basically set everywhere where I put my concealer at. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Sephora brand bronzer, and this is how it looks. The color that I got is Mykonos, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose and then the rest of my face. Now I'm going to take my Bobbie Brown pressed powder, and I think this is golden brown or something like that. I'll have it down in the bottom bar for you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and set all over my face with that pressed powder. I like this powder, you guys. It's very sheer and it does help control oiliness. It doesn't have any types of shines or anything like that, which is what I like. Now I'm going to take this Juvia's Place Blushed Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be using both of those colors. First I'm going to use the orange, and then I'm going to use the one at the top, and I'm just going to mix them together, you guys. They don't see things the same. To walk like two out the door. Then you have. This is what I'm going to use today for my lips. The lip liner is the MAC and Night Moth, and then the one by Juvia's Place, that's one of the new lip glosses that they got. It's Cream De Cacao or something like that. You guys, I don't know how to pronounce that last word of it, but yeah, it'll be down in the bottom bar. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with the MAC pencil and then put on the lip gloss, which is extremely pigmented. It's like a pinkish color. Now I'm going to be using this Ucumbi. I think it's called Ucumbi or Ucumbi. It's by Cosmetics. It's called All Day Fixer. This is a setting spray, you guys, for those of us who have oily skin. This is my first time using this, and I must say at the end of the day, you guys, it lasts me about 10 hours, which is how long I wear my makeup. And it just sets and gives you a soft matte finish, not like a really matte finish, but a soft matte finish. And I'm going to spray that and then just go ahead and fan my face to have that dry. Alright, you guys, this is the ending look. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye.